Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then select About Phone. Scroll down and you will find Factory Reset option. Select that. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, if you have anything on this device that you would like to keep from the listed, obviously, data that will be removed, then make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, that being said, you can actually create a backup by selecting Erase All Data, and it will give you the pop-up right here to back it up. Though, keep in mind, this will be backed up to Xiaomi Cloud, meaning that if you're going to restore this backup, you can only restore it onto another Xiaomi device. So if you have, for instance, something like I don't know, maybe you want to swap this device for some newer device like Samsung, Huawei, or whatever you have next, you won't be able to restore whatever is on that cloud. So in this case, you might need to create a backup to maybe your computer or some other way. Now, in any case, once your data is backed up, or maybe you just don't want to back it up, you can then proceed further by selecting Factory Reset. Now, Xiaomi considered their user base to be lacking in brain cells, so it does give us a timer that we cannot progress any further, letting us know that this will remove everything. We can select Next and we get another timer where it just hammers down the info that, are you sure this cannot be undone? At which point we can select OK. There we go. And this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now, this process will take a couple of minutes to finish up, so just let it run through. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.